Hi guys, today's our recipe is how to make shukos at home, and I'm gonna give you the ingredients for this easy recipe. First, we need a bread for shuko, avocado, and small avocado. We also need cabbage, piece of cabbage, or if you can find a small cabbage, it's okay. Also, we need salami and chorizo. Those will be the basic ingredients for this recipe. And also, we're gonna need ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard. Some other things that we're gonna use for this recipe is a knife to chop the cabbage, a bowl to prepare the guacamole, a little bit of salt for the guacamole, and a small table and an electric grill. Alright guys, so first, what we have to do is grill the bread or chorizo and salami. So, as our grill is electric, you just have to connect it and put your bread over the grill, your chorizo and your salami. Meanwhile, we're gonna boil 3 cups of water to cook our cabbage. Also, we have to chop our cabbage for this, the small piece, and also we're gonna make our guacamole. We're gonna wait for the water to boil, and we're gonna make our guacamole. What is guacamole? Basically, what we have to do is smash our guacamole into the bowl and add a little bit of salt. That's why we need just a little bit of salt. So I think our water is ready for the chop. So we're gonna add our cabbage into the boiled water and wait for 3 minutes more to cook it. I think that our bread is ready, so we're gonna cut in half our bread once it is grilled. We're gonna put it in half, and also we're gonna chop our chorizo and our salami. Okay, it's not okay to add it entire, so please be careful with your knife. And once we chop our chorizo and salami, we're gonna serve it, guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna serve our shuko. So for this we need also a kitchen tongs. I have forgotten this, I'm sorry for this, but we need kitchen tongs. So first, we're gonna add our avocado into the bread. You know it is cut in half. Also, we're gonna add our cabbage, which is already cooked, and our chorizo and salami. Remember, we already grilled them and chopped them, so now we're gonna add it into the bread. And finally guys, what we have to do is add ketchup, mayonnaise, and a little mostaza if you want. In my case, I don't like too much, but I'm gonna add it a little bit. And that's it guys. Now we have ready our shuko with salami and chorizo.